Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix app crashing on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold power button, click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so open app, back and close. Open, back, close. Open, back and close. You will see after the process your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. You will see first option is click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After you click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter your phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix apps crashing on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.